Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Today is the famous Bihari dish Litti Chokha. It's a rustic and traditional dish of stuffed whole wheat dough ball where the stuffing is a spiced mix of roasted gram flour. Litti is a stuffed whole wheat dough ball and chokha is a smashed relish that is served with the litti. So let's get started. First we'll prepare the dough cover. In a mixing bowl, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon ajwain, 1/4 cup ghee or oil, combine everything. Now add water in parts and knead to a smooth soft dough. Cover it with a lid and keep it aside for 30 minutes. For stuffing, take 1 cup sattu or roasted gram flour. In a mixing bowl, add half teaspoon black salt, half teaspoon normal salt, 1 teaspoon ajwain, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 to 2 tablespoon chopped green chilies, ginger and garlic. Also add achar as per your taste. Now sprinkle 1-2 tablespoon water all over and mix the flour with water evenly. The sattu stuffing mixture should not be too dry or too wet. If the mixture is dry, then the dryness will be felt while eating. After 30 minutes, now make small or medium sized balls from the dough. Flatten the dough ball with your palms and make a shallow cup. Now place the stuffing. Gently bring together the outer dough cover in the center while pressing the stuffing. Join and seal the edges. Keep the prepared littis under a cotton towel. Place the litti in a Paniyaram pan heated with ghee. Cover the lid and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Flip over and cook both the sides for approximately 20 minutes. Continue to cook until the littis turn golden brown from all over. In a bowl of ghee, dip the littis and keep it aside. To prepare the chokha, we can prepare it by chokha can be prepared with roasted eggplant and other vegetables. First we'll brush the vegetables with oil so that it gets cooked properly. Now once the vegetables are brushed with oil, place everything on a mesh. Can roast on medium flame by keeping directly on flame or over the mesh. Flip in between until the skin of the vegetables turn black from all the sides. In between, we will take the potatoes and place it in a pressure cooker and cook it separately since it will take more time to be cooked. Now we can see that all the vegetables are perfectly cooked. Now allow to cool completely and peel off the skin of eggplant, tomatoes and other vegetables. Now smash the roasted eggplant, potatoes, tomatoes and finely chop the chilies, garlic, onion and mix everything together. Finally, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons mustard oil, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, add all the smashed vegetables, give a mix, add salt as per the taste and 1 tablespoon dhania powder, mix it well, finish it by adding coriander leaves. Tasty and delicious Litti Chokha is ready. Please try this tasty food and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.